Welcome back to today's topic. So, this is about find and replace, right? So again, why do we need find and replace? Okay. So for example, if you look, you guys are already aware of this data set, right? Um, so let's say for an example, you have this column product name, okay, and you can see that it's quite lengthy. I mean, how the product name entries were done, right? So let's say we have Microsoft as a product name, and I just want to find the records with Microsoft as their product name. If you go to home in this ribbon, you will find this magnifying glass, right? So it says find and select. So you can click on find. So you can just type Microsoft, right? And you can see it found the first record that had Microsoft in it, right? So one thing you must have noticed, right, that Excel is not case sensitive. See, the M starting Microsoft, it's in not in caps, it's in small letter, yet it picked up the record where it starts with a capital M, right? So you can keep clicking on find next, it will go to the next row where it found Microsoft, right? It's row number 286. Again, it goes to the next row, 377, right? Now let's say you want to replace, okay, wherever you find Microsoft, let's say the requirement is such you want to replace it with MS, okay, so you can click this tab, move to replace, and then yeah, wherever you find Microsoft you want to replace it with MS, right? And then you have this option whether you want to replace just this record, then you are going to click the replace button. If you want to click every record where it contains Microsoft with MS, you have to click on replace all. Okay, let's say for now I'll click on replace all, right? You can see it matched with 25 records, and in all such records it was replaced with MS, right? I'll just close this window and let's try to search again if I can find anything. Okay, you can also look through the filter pane again. You can type Microsoft, you will see there is no match, but if you type MS, yes, every record that have MS in it is going to come up. Yep, that's all for today. See you in the next episode. Thank you.